In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Microsoft Copilot Desktop Pro subscription. If you no longer need your Copilot Pro plan, the good news is that the cancellation process is usually pretty straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly where to go, what to look for, and one important detail to keep in mind depending on where you originally subscribed. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Services and Subscriptions page. This is the main area where Microsoft lists the products and recurring plans connected to your account, so it's the right place to manage a Copilot Pro subscription. Once you're there, sign in using the same Microsoft account that you used when you purchased Copilot Pro. This part is important because if you sign into a different account, you may not see the subscription listed at all. If that happens, double check that you're using the correct account before moving on. After signing in, look through your list of subscriptions and find Copilot Pro. When you see it, click Manage. This will take you to the subscription management page where Microsoft gives you options related to billing and renewal settings. On that page, select Cancel. After you click it, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Microsoft may show you a summary of your subscription, when your access ends, or whether any remaining time is still available until the current billing period finishes. Take a moment to review those details before you confirm the cancellation so you know exactly what to expect. There's also a situation that can confuse some people. If you don't see a cancel option and instead see turn on recurring billing, that usually means the subscription has already been set to expire. In other words, recurring billing is already off, and the plan should end automatically at the end of the current period without charging you again. One more thing to keep in mind. If you originally purchased Copilot Pro through the Apple App Store or Google Play, you won't cancel it through Microsoft's subscription page. In that case, you'll need to go to the same store where you subscribed and cancel it there, since those platforms handle the billing directly. After you complete the process, check your subscription status one more time to make sure recurring billing has been stopped. That final confirmation helps you avoid unexpected renewals, and that's how to cancel your Microsoft Copilot Pro subscription.